Welcome back. Continuing the news. In a primetime news follow-up, despite the announcement of the closure of some beaches and rivers, some Jamaicans are still turning up. But they've left disappointed because of padlocked gates, and the police have also been keeping an eye on activities. It's 1 week since the government ordered more than 30 rivers and beaches closed due to breaches of the coronavirus protocols. We've been keeping a close watch on facilities across the island, including this one's in Oteria St. Anne, a hotspot on the weekend largely because there's free access. We were surprised to see the padlocked gate. Glassford Miller, more popularly known as History, is the caretaker.
Comply with the rules and the laws that the government say, because we don't want the thing to get out of hand in Jamaica no more. So we have to work with the law and comply. So we agree to comply.
So what do you do to comply?
Well, the gate is closed, and whenever time people come, we let them know that they can enter, because, you know, this time is so serious. It's not an easy thing. It's serious time we are living in.
It was clear, however, not everyone heard about the closure.
No, we never know said close. I come on and realize that beach closed.
How far are you coming from?
Kingston.
It was a similar situation at the Oterias Bay Beach. Another popular hotspot, Flavors, had lots of cars but no swimmers. The public beaches in Negril also empty. The police patrolling the area ensured it remained that way. This was Helshaw in St. Catherine. Police on patrol, the main gate locked, and the beach empty. At the popular Salt River in Clarendon, there's outrage. One fisherman is accusing the government of double standards.
It's a Tuesday nomination day. The 3rd of September, a election. So, it can't happen so. For a crowd pan crowd. Sergeant, where you? The big crowd there more on Saturday and Sunday, man. You have a little crowd. You have Saturday, Sunday. You have crowd, but you know Saturday, Sunday.
In making the announcement last week, local government minister Desmond McKenzie said during the closure, operators will be invited to a meeting to discuss the way forward.